Hello all. This is the demonstration of the next option platform, which is provided by IORink. So in this video, I'll start with the first feature, which is basically called as easy options. Now, this particular feature will help the users to trade options based on the directions. So for example, here they have given three buttons: up, neutral, down, and they have given the instrument name here, Nifty. So if you are thinking that Nifty will go up tomorrow, then you can click on the up button. It will give you the ready-made strategy. So here, if I execute this trade, like if I click on the trade, the strategy will get executed in the market. So this trade can get me 9,600 as a profit, or I may lose 1,646 as a loss. Now, if I click on more details here, it gives me the strategy. That is 25,500 call, one lot will be purchased. And along with that, 25,750 call will also be purchased. And 25,560 call, two lots will be sold. So if I'm okay with it, I can click on the trade will get executed. They have given one more feature called strategy builder. You can modify the trade, modify these strikes using it. That I will be explaining in the next level, next video. Now, it also shows you how much margin is required for you to execute the trade. That is around 1.57 lakhs is required to execute the trade. Now, you can also see the probability of profit, that is around 34%. Risk reward ratio is around 0.17. Okay, if you need more clarification, they have written that the details are given here. If you click on the icon button, it tells you what does this risk reward ratio mean. So it measures the risk of loss against the expected gains for the investment made in the strategy. That means for every one rupee profit, you are going to lose 17 paise. So that is 0.17. Now, if you think the market Nifty will be sideways tomorrow, that means it will not go either up or down. It will remain in a tight range. Then click on the neutral. It shows you that you can make 1,500 rupees profit on a loss of 13,418. Again, if you click on more details, it tells you that you have to buy 25,850 call one lot, 25,050 call one put one lot, and sell 25,650 call and 25,250 call. So if the market closes here, if you click on the chart here, it tells you that if the market closes around 25,250 to 25,450, so it's given the range here. Between these two range, if the market closes, you make a profit of 1,518. But if the market goes below 25,250, then the loss will start. If you just move the cursor here on the graph, it shows you how much will be your loss. So if the market goes below 25,000, then you lose 13,481. And if the market goes above 25,950, you lose 13,000. So here the risk reward ratio is very high. Then if you feel the market will go down, you can click on down. Then it shows you one more strategy, which is where you can make 9,500 profit and 1,706 as a max loss. Again, if you click on more details, it will show you what and all strikes that you will be purchasing. That is 25,150 put, 25,400 put you will be purchasing and selling 25,250. And it tells you when what is the margin required and what is the loss. Now, assuming that well, let me again go back to the neutral here. And if you see here, the loss was 13,481 and profit was 1,500. If you're not happy with it, you think it is too much of a risk and very low return, then you can click on balanced strategy, where it will give you a lower risk and a moderate profit. That is 13,000, 3,960 will be your gain and 7,000. So here they have given the range becomes bit tighter here. So basically 20, if the market is anywhere between 25,347 and 25,521, you make a profit. Below that, you can move the cursor and see the loss. And also you can see one more strategy they have given, which is aggressive. Here your loss is 20, your loss will be 5,000, profit will be 2,331. Obviously, the range will be more tighter. That is, the market should close anywhere between 25,318 to 25,581. So if it closes between these two range, then your profit will be given here. The trades are given here. Now, this is not only available for Nifty, but for also other indexes like BankNifty. You can do it. So here, if you think BankNifty will be neutral, they will give you the ready strategy that can be deployed. So if you don't have clarity on which call option to buy, which strike call option to buy, or which strike put option to buy, what options to sell, you get a ready inbuilt strategy over here. So for example, we can also try Dr. Reddy's, and assuming that I think the stock may go down, I get three strategies here. Defensive, where I can get 15,871 as a profit and 2,875 as a loss. Now for this, the margin required is 80,000. Now if I click on, and then there is a balance strategy where my max profit will be 7,000 and loss will be 5,371. And then there is a very aggressive strategy where I may lose 20,960 and it has got lot of potential. So let me click on this. So here the strategy is suggesting me to buy 1,270 put option, and I can click on trade. The trade will get executed via broker. So if I'm clicking on the trade, it asks me, do you want to send a market order? Do you want to send a limit order? Do you want to put a stop loss for this? And if you want, so basically if I'm putting a limit order, the price is around 33.45. And if I select a stop loss, I can say that after buying this, if the price comes, if the instead of the Dr. Reddy price going down, it starts going up, then the premium may start declining. So I can say that I want to book a loss at 20 rupees and come out. So 33 will be my purchase price and 20 will be my exit thing. So you can also see all the details over here. Same thing with this. If I go for a defensive strategy, it is telling me that buy 1210 put, buy 1260 put, sell 1230 put. So it's giving me a ready-made trade here. And again, if I click trade here, it gives me all the thing. Now you can see the order book here, like whether there is enough liquidity if you want to exit the trade, if you want to execute the trade. If you click on the status line, it shows you the order book. And then if you want to make it an intraday, you can click on intraday, and you can, once the order gets executed, you can see the status here. Okay, thank you.